This is a My 9 News weather alert.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Brenda Blackman in the My 9 studio. The second major snowstorm of this month is still pounding our area this afternoon, and it shows no sign of letting up just yet. Take a look outside. Most of New Jersey is covered with snow, about a foot in some towns. For the latest, let's check in with meteorologist Audrey Puente. Hi there, Audrey.
Hi, Brenda. And like we predicted, New Jersey is definitely the hardest hit area across the tri-state area. Here's a look at the storm as it sits right now on Viper 3D, and most of the snow is being found over New Jersey and up towards the western parts of the Hudson Valley, west of the Hudson River. It's been mainly rain across Long Island, and some of it has been heavy at times. And then there's a fine line indicated by the shadings in pink here. This is where we're seeing the mixing taking place, and that has predominantly stayed east of New York City. So we've seen a lot of snow in the city as well as up towards Bergen County and western parts of Westchester County. But now we're seeing the mix line kind of rotate backwards a bit across Westchester. So now we're getting a snow rain mix and rain across the eastern half of the county. And it looks like we see a snow rain mix as well as we go into western Nassau County, where you saw a lot of snow earlier, and also a lot of rain from earlier this morning. But snow is definitely the story across New Jersey. Around northern New Jersey, we've seen some bands of moderate to heavy snow. In fact, in some of these darker shaded tones, we've seen snowfall rates of 2 inches an hour. So it's really piling up here in the northern part of the state. A lot of moisture associated with this system. You can see the definition, or the rather defining line between the rain and the snow extends all the way up towards the Capital District. And it looks like we still have a lot of ways to go, because you can see the storm is sort of rotating around. And on the back side of it, we're going to see cold air pulled in from the north, and everyone should change over to snow as we get into the overnight hours. Let's check in with some of the snow totals that we've had reported across New Jersey. 6 inches in Ringwood so far. Mahwah's come in at about 5 inches. Ramsey at 4.5. Wayne at 4.3. And Harrison has reported 2 inches, but that was from earlier this morning. I'm sure we're adding to that total. And in New York, 8.3 up in Orange County and Warwick. Goshen also at 7 inches. Rockland County coming in at 4.5, and 4 across New Hampstead and Pomona. Mount Vernon at just over 3 inches, and Central Park checking in at 2 inches so far. Winter storm warnings continue to exist for the counties shaded in pink. They've now extended the winter storm warning across into Nassau County, and a winter weather advisory now for the eastern half of Suffolk County too, where earlier we had a flood watch. That has now been discontinued because we are expecting more in the rain, the way of snowfall as we get towards the evening hours, and less in the way of rainfall. Temperatures have been pretty steady today. Most of these are actually numbers from yesterday, so we don't need to look at that. But right now, temperatures hovering close to the freezing mark. You can see they're getting closer to the freezing mark across the city, even in JFK. We've stayed above freezing across Long Island all day. That's why we've seen mainly rain there. But these numbers will slowly creep eastward again as that cold air starts to pool in. And once we get closer to the freezing mark across sections of Long Island and Connecticut, that's when we'll see that change over to snow. And we're expecting that overnight tonight. This is a long duration event. We do expect it to extend as we go into Friday as well, folks. So we are expecting snow showers throughout the day tomorrow. And when it's all said and done, we could see upwards of about a foot of snow across parts of northern New Jersey. Here's a look at it all in our future cast. You can see those lows will be moving in. Actually, that's from last night, so we don't need to look at that. But we are expecting, again, heavy amounts of snow as we go into the overnight hours and into the day early tomorrow. We'll keep you posted, though, throughout the afternoon. We'll send it back to you, Brenda.
Thanks, Audrey. It's a slow going on the roads this afternoon, so if you're about to drive, take it easy. Highways are slippery and dangerous, and as the temperatures drop, slush will turn to ice. If you're planning to fly tonight or tomorrow, call ahead. There are delays at all 3 of our major airports, and hundreds of flights in and out of the New Jersey, New York area have been canceled. We'll be back in about 30 minutes with another update. You can also get the latest news on snow closings from our website, www.my9tv.com. While you're there, you can also upload your photos of the snow. We'll have complete live team coverage tonight at 11 on My 9 News. We now return to our regular scheduled programming.
This has been a My 9 News weather alert.